Marcus,
Yes.
14 months. What do you think of the hairline? What do you think of the hair growth?
The hair growth, the hairline's fabulous. The healing process was very accurate to what you guys suggested. It was around 10 to 14 days. Hello.
Hello. He's 39 years old and he had a hair transplant with us 14 months ago. I'm going to show you his pre-op photograph, and this is what he looked like. You can see here there's a Norwood 5 pattern. The hair is, as you can see here, the hair is very fine caliber. It's low density, and he has quite significant hair loss. So you can see here today he comes to us 14 months later, and he was visiting us. He was in the area. He's from out of town, and he just came to Toronto for the day. And you can see this is what he looks like. The donor density is very good, and since it's an FUE or follicular unit excision, you really don't get to see, you don't see a linear scar, and in fact here at this point you don't see any scarring whatsoever, although we recognize there is point scarring from FUE. So Marcus,
Yes.
it's 14 months. What do you think of the hairline? What do you think of the hair growth?
The hair growth, the hairline's fabulous. The healing process was very accurate to what you guys suggested. It was around 10 to 14 days, and I was able to get back to work and carry on with my typical routine.
And for somebody who's thinking of getting a hair transplant, what do you say to them?
Well, I would highly recommend it. I'm pleased that I did it. The only thing is that I wish I would have done it sooner, because I was on the fence about it for years, and now that I've done it, my youthfulness is back and I feel great, and my outlook on life is fabulous.
And what's your feeling about the clinic and the staff?
Clinic was great. The procedure was fantastic from the get-go. They walked me through every step of the way, and I couldn't imagine it going any better.